IDenTV specializes in artificial intelligence and machine learning in an applied fashion. We essentially allow your unstructured and structured data, whether it's coming from a UAV or from social media, to extract the contextual metadata and allow you to search and interact with big data like you haven't been able to before. We see a lot of adoption in public safety, for example, where you have transit authorities who have camera systems that are in the thousands and no operators that are capable of dispatching the proper resources for safety. So what we've done is enabled automation of those workflows to allow for these operators to augment their workflows. You can't afford to be reactive in these situations, you need to be proactive. So that's where real-time video analytics plays a huge part, and being able to have that kind of power and horsepower just by accessing a regular computer kind of changes the entire framework and workflow. So in media and entertainment, they use IDenTV in everything from real-time brand and logo recognition, from events like Formula One or sailboat racing, tracking where these brands are, how long they've been on the screen, and providing that information to sponsors so they can measure something that they've never been able to measure in the past. We leverage a lot of GPU processing and a lot of different cloud infrastructures, including Oracle's cloud infrastructure. We really see a lot of power there. We've been able to see a 2x increase in being able to train large convolutional neural networks. For our workload, Oracle has performed at 2x the speed of other cloud providers when compared to comparable VM sizes, specifically in the graphics processing units, the GPUs. Because of that, we've been able to see a reduction of around 60% in our costs, and we can pass that down to our clients. As Chief Operating Officer, I think it was most important for us to be able to deliver on the features we promised. And the number one feature we promised is real-time analytics. In looking at cloud providers and the cost to horsepower ratio, we found that Oracle was a great match for us.